In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save templates in TradingView, how to use template in TradingView chart. If you've ever found yourself re-adding the same indicators and settings every time you open a chart, templates will save you a ton of time. An indicator template stores your selected indicators and their settings so you can apply them to any chart in a couple of clicks. Start by heading to your TradingView dashboard and opening a chart. Any symbol and any time frame is fine here, because the goal is simply to prepare the setup you want to save. Make sure you're signed in so your template is saved to your account and available across devices. At the top of the chart, click Indicators. This opens a panel where you can search for and select the tools you rely on: moving averages, RSI, volume profiles, or anything else you use regularly. Click on your chosen indicators to add them to the chart. If you need to tweak inputs, colors, or styles, go ahead and do that now so the template captures the exact configuration you prefer. When your setup looks right, click on Highlight to ensure the active elements are selected on your chart. This simply confirms you're working with the indicators you just added and makes the relevant toolbar options visible. Next, click the templates icon on the chart's toolbar. This is where TradingView keeps your indicator templates. Choose Save Indicator Template. To open the Save dialog, type in a clear, descriptive template name. A good approach is to include the strategy or indicator set, and optionally the time frame, so you can recognize it at a glance later. Below the name, you'll see options to remember symbol and remember interval. Turn these on if you want the template tied to a specific ticker or time frame. That's helpful when your indicator settings are optimized for one market or a particular resolution. If you want a more flexible template that works on any chart, leave these off. Finally, click Save. That's it. Your indicator combination and settings are now stored as a reusable template. From now on, you'll find it in the same Templates menu, ready to apply to any chart with a single click. A couple of quick tips to keep things tidy. If you refine your indicators later, save again using the same name to effectively update the template, or give it a new name if you want to keep multiple versions. Remember, indicator templates save indicators and their settings, not drawings or chart layout preferences. Those are handled separately by chart layouts. With this workflow, you'll streamline your analysis and stay consistent across charts.